Hi, this is Dropship here today. Every day, I research and share the hottest new products to help you grow your dropshipping business. Here are today's top winning picks you don't want to miss. Here's the first product of this video, the Smart Planter with endless fun expressions. This isn't just a pot for your plants, it's a full-blown personality with over 49 facial expressions, AI chips, and 7 smart sensors. It reacts to light, touch, voice, and more, making plant care feel like raising a virtual pet. Kids, plant lovers, and tech geeks alike are falling for this. It falls under the niche of home gadgets and smart lifestyle decor. Sell it for $59.99, it costs around $22.20, and the shipping is about $3.00, giving you a solid $34.79 profit margin. Position it in TikTok videos showing how it reacts to water, music, or sunlight, and you've got a viral hit. This portable pet water bottle is perfect for dog owners on the go. The soft silicone leaf acts as a foldable bowl, making it easy to give dogs a sip during walks or hikes. Lightweight, leak-proof, and designed for one-handed use, it's a hit among pet parents. This gem fits right into the pet accessories and travel essentials niche. You can sell it for $22.99. It costs $4.10, with shipping around $2.80, giving you a profit of $16.09. Show this in action with a cute pup, and you've got content that converts, perfect for Instagram Reels and pet influencer partnerships. Say hello to utility and fashion combined. These women's cargo pants bring street style to life with high waist fit, drawstrings, and wide leg silhouette. Pockets add function, while the style screams confidence. This belongs to the women's streetwear and utility fashion niche. You can sell it for $38.99 with a cost of $10.60 and shipping at $4.20, leaving you a profit of $24.19. Market these in GRWM videos, styling tips, or festival outfit guides. The Y2K trend isn't going anywhere. These aren't just jeans, they're a vibe. Featuring side embroidery, a baggy fit, and frayed edges, these butterfly jeans are made for the bold and trendy. The hot girl streetwear look is all the rage. Niche, youth street fashion, and statement denim. Sell them for $42.99, cost is $12.80, shipping around $3.90 profit. Promote these through fashion hauls, urban style edits, and influencer lookbooks. They're the type of jeans that get compliments everywhere. Let's take a detour into effortless men's fashion. Men's casual striped shirt with chest pocket. This striped shirt brings a modern twist to a timeless staple. Lightweight, clean lines, and a functional chest pocket. It's perfect for both casual Fridays and laid-back weekend brunches. This one falls under the men's smart casual and workwear fashion niche. Retail it at $29.99. The product costs $6.90 with shipping around $2.90, landing you a nice $20.19 profit margin. Ideal for Instagram Reels showcasing day-to-night outfit transitions, a solid pick for men upgrading their wardrobe. If you want to private label it and get a cheaper price, you can go to app.bsdropshipping.com. BS offers private label service, no MOQ needed, and their prices are normally cheaper than on aliexpress.com. Now let's jump into cozy, cold weather must-haves for women. Women's fashion print thickened top. This printed thickened top is a winter essential. It brings warmth and style in one package. Bold patterns, soft fleece lining, and an oversized fit. Great for casual days, layering, or pairing with leggings. This product belongs to the women's winterwear and loungewear fashion niche. Sell it at $34.99, cost is $8.10, shipping $3.40, leaving a nice $23.49 in profit. Use cozy morning routine clips, coffee and chill aesthetic, or winter OOTDs to show this off. It's a cold weather classic. Next up, something effortlessly comfy that everyone needs in their closet. Women's loose solid color long sleeve sweater. You can't go wrong with a soft, solid color sweater. This loose fit long sleeve is breathable, lightweight, and perfect for layering or lounging. The minimal design makes it versatile for any outfit. This product fits in the everyday women's basics and comfy casual wear niche. Retail it for $28.99 with a cost of $6.40 and shipping at $2.80. You're looking at a $19.79 profit. Perfect for minimalist outfit inspo or morning outfit transitions. It's basic but never boring. And finally, we're wrapping it up with something flirty, floral, and fresh. Women's flower print lace-lin dress. This lace-trimmed summer dress is feminine, breezy, and perfect for vacations, beach days, or brunch with the girls. The V-neck and waist-bearing design make it flattering and photo-ready. It falls under the women's summer fashion and resort wear niche. Sell for $35.99. Costs around $9.60 and ships for about $3.20, giving you a solid $23.19 profit margin. This dress pops in travel reels, date night edits, or summer styling videos. A must-have for your seasonal lineup. And that brings us to the end of this powerful product lineup. From smart gadgets and pet essentials to trending streetwear and cozy fashion pieces. These products are not just scroll stoppers, they're profit makers. Each one hits a unique niche with strong visual appeal and high customer demand. If you're looking to scale your store or kickstart your next winning campaign, these items are a great place to start. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found value in this video and subscribe so you never miss out on the next set of viral products. Got a favorite from today's list? Or want help picking the right niche for your store? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep testing, keep scaling, and keep winning. See you in the next one.